How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the channel, Pete's Carport. Sorry I'm a little under the weather today, but this is going to be a really cool video. I'm on my way right now to go check out a 1967 Mercedes 200D, a very unique, cool car. Yes, this one is a basket case, but hang in there with me. I've got some really cool ideas with it, and I'll explain those towards the end of the video. Hopefully, the owner, who seems very nice, allows me to videotape as much of the car as I can get for you guys. So stay tuned. We're going to do a quick tour of this car, and then I'm going to explain the plans for it. Alright guys, so sorry my voice is going to be pretty low, but I wanted to explain to you what I'm going to be doing with this car. So I just made an offer for $775 to the gentleman. He originally was asking $2,500. Obviously, definitely not worth $2,500 with all the repair it's going to need. But what I'm going to be using it for is pretty cool. As many of you may know, I do own a business. It's a coffee roasting, and we also have a coffee shop business, and we want to use it to do events, and as well as put our logo on there, our website on there. And I also will attempt to fully restore the car, so I'll be able to do videos on the interior restoration, and even maybe doing a full spray paint restoration job on the car with clear coat. So that may be coming as well. So if you guys want to see more of this, excited about this car like I am, such a cool nostalgic type vehicle, and fits perfectly in with our business style and what we're looking for to bring to events and just do different things with. So let me know in the comments, guys. Once again, my name's Peter. This is Pete's Carport. Next time, hopefully my voice will be back for you guys. Have an awesome day, and thanks for tuning in.